I'm Kathleen Hall, and I am CEO of the Mindful Living Network.
Hi, I'm Kendrick, and we're cooking for love today.
Well, the kitchen smells wonderful. So, what do you have in store for us today?
Well, I'm really excited today. We are doing some really cool flatbreads that are going to be very interactive and made for families and couples and young folks and folks our age, and just some really fun things.
So, it's the kind of thing that if I called you to come over because we're friends,
yes.
If I called you and Janice and said, come over, we're going to do a Netflix,
yes.
then I could just
Absolutely.
take this and we could build our own. And
we could build our own. We could have 2 different flatbreads.
And easy and
whatever you've got in the refrigerator. If you have a nice little in-house grill, which a lot of young people have.
Yeah.
Nutritious. Absolutely.
And we know Janice is a meat eater.
Absolutely.
So but she can have her meat.
But if you're vegetarian or vegan, you're covered. You've got everything covered. So today I'm doing a grilled, everything's grilled on this in-house grill. So we've got beautiful zucchini, red peppers. You help me with the fresh basil.
I love basil.
And beautiful green onion. And we've got ricotta. And I've got some garlic. And then wanted to show cutting the zucchini on the bias. And that really makes some nice cuts. So just you hold your chef's knife and you hold your zucchini, and then you're able to cut it on the bias. So just see that you see kind of how that's done. It's just, you just turn the zucchini and you just slant your knife. So
and you can see how beautiful it makes it.
So it's all a matter of just turning the zucchini and then you just cut on the bias.
And also you cut it very thin.
Very
thin. I loved how quickly and sweet and sugary it got really quickly.
And a hint too is when you go ahead and slice it and you pre-cook it, then all you do is put it in the oven and it cooks so much faster. So we'll go ahead and get started.
So actually, if you knew your friends were coming, you could go ahead and start this whole thing.
Absolutely. So before you got here, went on ahead and put a little olive oil on the bottom and sort of and painted it across there. And then we put already put a little bit of garlic, but I'll put a little bit more. And you just want to sort of put it around the edges so that everybody that gets a slice gets a little bit. And then go ahead and put, and it's just like painting canvas, you know, you want to kind of lay it so that it's pleasing because we all eat with our eyes. So we want to make it fun.
But also, if you're going to have kids and it's a family night, then I think being an old mom, you got to be careful not to judge their particular concoction, or maybe it's going to be a face. Or maybe it's going to be whatever, don't you think?
Yes.
Because then it could turn into tears very quickly.
Oh, I hope not. You have food, you want everybody to be happy. It's a festive occasion. So, you know, you basically just put all this together.
And don't you think you also introduce kids to healthy eating?
Absolutely. Never starts too early. Make it fun. So, you know, you can cut these up. You can make these whole. You know, the one I'm going to show you, I cut in little pieces, but this one we're going to make large pieces. So, you know, you can make it abstract. You can make it symmetrical.
And what I love too, Kendrick, is I am definitely, you know, not a meat eater, as you well know, but my husband's, you know, a big carnivore.
Yes.
If he can do his, I can do mine. I don't want them even touching.
Absolutely.
And I just think it's great.
I do too. You can just lay these big pieces, just lay them across. Very cool, very avant-garde. You sing this in a lot of restaurants. I just kind of throw them, you know. Isn't that fun?
Beautiful.
And now just dollop some of the ricotta cheese in various places. And this will melt the ricotta cheese. So, and you can just put as much or as little as you want in various places. I'm just going to hurry because we don't have a lot of time, but I try to space it out and put less in more places so that everybody gets a bite of it. And then put a little more there. The piece de resistance, you've got to, well, obviously I want to put some wonderful Parmesan cheese. You've got to put Parmesan cheese. I'll try to add a little more oil on top. Put a little
smells of all of this wonderful.
And beautiful whole,
oh my gosh,
gorgeous whole basil leaves.
It's beautiful.
And it's very pleasing. Serve this with a salad. Beautiful salad. And you've got a meal. It's so easy. Now I'll show you real quick. Let me get, so that you see it. finished. Oh, it smells so good.
I can't wait to put that in the oven.
Here's what it looks like. So you can see how good it is. And it smells. Oh my gosh. You believe how good that is? That is fantastic.
And can you cut it with your big knife?
Oh, of course I can.
Cut us a little piece.
It's hot.
It is hot.
It is hot.
It is beautiful.
Let's see if we can do it.
So this is a really nice, simple, healthy, wonderful recipe. Just I guess you can buy that and keep it to freeze the bread so that you could probably use it sometimes hot.
Yes.
Right. So then, and you can throw whatever. If your vegetables, I hate to say this, are even starting to get old, and you don't want to throw them away, right?
Absolutely.
Peppers, onions.
Absolutely.
Anything else you'd have here? Want to slice and try it?
Yes.
I've got to try it. I would never allow anyone to finish her cooking shows without tasting it ahead of time because, you know, something could happen to you.
Isn't that wonderful? Well, I like a thin crust because that's the way they do really in Italy and over in Europe. And I don't want to fill up on a bunch of bread. I want to really taste the fresh vegetables and the ricotta cheese and have a nice glass of wine with it. So thank you so much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you'll try it, be interactive. I think you'll love it. Bon appetit.
And thanks for joining us today. Again, you can find this recipe on mindfullivingnetwork.com, and we've got tons of other recipes and great things, so we hope you join us. Again, I'm Kathleen Hall with the Mindful Living Network. Thanks. Join us again.